Kibor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kibor penyak jong ki Karkhana ki badan ha East Giant Hills District kila hab ban Pyndem ban Mynjur ya kejing dawa jong Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association ban aikit mar ya ki Trok jong ki Trai jala shispa Tyli ki Trok ha ka Sngi kani kejing Mynjur ki Trai Karkhana ki badan ha po ka Shatri jong Giant Hills Cement Manufacturer Association kalong ha kejing alang bala penyak do sembut menteri rang ba ka jala uba khmi ya transport uba snyaw balang dhar hakabalay simbentalang liki noyalam jong Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association kabalalong hamin sketret haka arpunyo trek naiwe araja apsan uba sngaw bahalang dhar haka jinga kran wiglat pathai kebor hadin pelawai ke jingalang ulai thu ba shispa tali ki truk jing kitrai jala kin sedang no ya kejingkit mar nadu la sai Sngi ka arpa trek naiwe araja apsan ba nadu sitrek no para araja apsan on kentiu shu sa Tyli kata shispa Tyli ki truk kit mar kat kumbala Mynjur haka ni ke jingalang haka baydai bakador kit ya kedubilat bajya uklinka on pentre kambai kumbala penbana daga sorkar Meghalaya hakador khandai tingka shimbetek ton 6 kilometer ban nakabenta kador kit sabar jong kejala Meghalaya on pentre kambai kakum kador yo.
All the three association request them the quota, mean indirectly priority for the local peoples. Previously, it was there 80 trucks for the local peoples every day within Meghalaya. And the last meeting and the other new association Mctoda also request, why didn't you give us another 40 trucks? And today we had finalized both the cement plant manufacturer and from the associations, and they had agreed that they will give 120 as per the demand. And immediately for 100 truck, it will start from tomorrow itself. And another 20 additional, mean 120 in total, they will start from 1st of October, and that is from December, and that is done. And number two, that time they raised about to fix the rate for the interstate movement also. And during the last meeting, AG was present with us, and he already seeks the permission from the meeting. So, okay, since the interstate rate may be not appropriate or whether appropriate, so I need to examine the matter properly. And we sent it officially after the meeting itself last week to the law department for law opinion. So even that also we have received the legal opinion. So as per the legal opinion submitted by the AG, legally it was not possible for the state of Meghalaya to notify the rate for the other state. So interstate will remain as per market rate, and about the within the state we already decided 9 rupees per metric ton per kilometer as per decided the last meeting. That is the meeting as of today. We are yet to find. So you see, some cement said no, here is less, Assam is more. So even this part also we are having a meeting yesterday itself, me and the Home Minister and the Vice Commissioner Transport. After this first phase of discussion about the association transport, so even this, so we will be calling the cement plant to discuss about the rate. It should not be in that way.
So this 9 rupees is accepted by all?
Actually, what to say, they are demanding. And industry said, yes, we are accepted, but not too much convenient for us. It seems not feasible. And maybe if the rate 9 rupees continue, I think even it may impact the public also. Cement price may go a little bit higher. So even that also, it seems again they will come for negotiation, both the cement manufacturer association and the transporter association again.
So there will be further meetings?
No, we have notified today or tomorrow, and further meeting between at their level, not at the government level.
So the government level?
Because the cement plant keep requesting them to 9 rupees is too high. So why don't you consider? And they have decided here in my presence. So they will discuss further at that level between the three associations and the cement manufacturer association.
So there are concerns also the cement prices in other.
That's why you see, obviously, when we increase rate for the transporter, I think even this it may hit to some extent. So that is why we request from the government, both all from the transporter association and from the association. I told them also, you may sit again from time to time and discuss. If you can't reduce, it will be much better. So it seems they'll start negotiating from tomorrow itself, both sides.
So what about the cases against them?
Okay, that I think Home Department will explain it. So the case is still on. So it's when there's 6 appointment from the Home Minister, maybe that the Home Minister will see him make an appointment with them, and he will take a call finally. I will see when plans to profit. That's what they come to us. Yeah, it's a institution. So since the way the law is open for you, meet them all the association and record the problem. Maybe to not solve day after, if they have that. So maybe when you sit nicely together, they understand the problems and you understand the problems. Because I'm worried as a minister. If I just do this drastically, it will hit the market. And the common will job on my head. Why is just because of some of the requests at the area, why you just like that? Then maybe next year. If you need me anytime this week, my doors open. Please, my doors open. Cut off the so program. You never know. This is. Tengi kan orang ini ngapain aku mau jalan deh. Kata berpasangan sama dulu. I respect.
From your side, there is no problem. From cement side, only is problem.
Kan jimut cuma kan bahata. Kan bahata jimut juga. Mana dia sih? What perkara ban solve mengi ke problem itu? And you should solve yourself. And that also by dialogue, not on the road.
Oh no, we don't say don't do. So you're accusing us. We are on the road, but we have
See,
dialogue like third time, no sir. But sir,
I'm
third
not.
time,
See,
three time.
I'm not talking about Mctoda.